In the heart of Envigado, Colombia, nestled amidst the embrace of nature, stood a house unlike any other, Casa Amaluna. Crafted by the visionary architects of Plan B, this wasn't your ordinary dwelling, it was a symphony of innovation and harmony. The challenge? To accommodate a grand vision on a seemingly simple canvas, a large, flat plot of land. The architects responded with a stroke of genius, 11 distinct volumes, each a functional space, scattered like playful dice across the landscape. 8 kissed the ground with a single story, while 3 others stretched skyward, mimicking the gentle rise of the terrain. There was no rigid order to their placement, yet a hidden song held them together. An invisible path, whispering from east to west, weaved through the volumes. This ensured that the most cherished spaces, the bedrooms and living areas, basked in the southern sun, while the service areas found their place bathed in northern light. But unity wasn't lost in the whimsical arrangement. Lobbies, corridors, gardens, and terraces, these became the bridges, stitching the volumes together. They welcomed cascades of natural light, birthing within the house pockets of verdant beauty, interior gardens that pulsed with life and freshness. The architects weren't merely concerned with aesthetics, they were creating a haven that breathed. The three-dimensionality wasn't just an aesthetic whim. It was a masterfully conducted orchestra, ensuring each space received its own spotlight. Light danced its way through strategically placed skylights, painting the interiors with a unique glow, highlighting the architectural brilliance. Imagine waking up to a symphony of light, the morning sun filtering through a skylight, dappling your room with warmth. Casa Amaluna wasn't just a house, it was a jewel in Envigado's crown. The bold design, a captivating interplay of seemingly random placement and the deliberate choice of materials, graphite metal panels, rock concrete, and black stone, created a breathtaking visual melody. The architects weren't afraid to push boundaries, to create a structure that challenged the conventional notion of a home. Step inside any volume, and a new surprise awaited. Natural light, streaming from above, bathed the spaces in an otherworldly luminescence. It was a testament to Plan B's artistry, a place where functionality and beauty waltzed in perfect harmony. Imagine curling up with a book in a nook flooded with sunlight, the gentle murmur of the interior garden a constant companion. Casa Amaluna wasn't just a structure, it was a testament to Plan B's talent for creating unique and functional spaces. They had woven together the threads of nature, light, and innovative design, crafting a residence that transcended the ordinary. It was a living, breathing entity, a testament to the power of architectural vision. This wasn't just a house on a plot of land, it was a conversation with the surrounding environment. The architects had taken cues from the topography, integrating the natural flow of the land into the very essence of the house. Casa Amaluna existed in harmony with its surroundings, a testament to the power of sustainable design. Looking towards the future, Casa Amaluna stood as a bold exploration of modern architecture. It was a beacon of inspiration, a testament to the endless possibilities that unfolded when form met function, and nature met innovation. It was a house that would forever etch its mark on the landscape of Envigado, a constant reminder of the beauty and potential that lay within the realm of architectural design.